Hey, what's going on, guys? And today I will show you how you can remove restrictions in your Word document. So, this is going to be quick and easy. So, let's do this. So, first, open up your document. So, I have mine in here. So, let's open this one. And from here, we notice that we cannot edit this document. So everything is grayed out. You cannot change the font. You cannot change the color. You cannot do anything for this one. So to remove this restriction, let's just close this first. So what we can do here is let's click on this file and press F2 on your keyboard. Now here, let's remove the docx extension and change it to zip file. So let's type zip for zip. When you press enter, there will be a prompt. So just click on yes. So here, as we can see, it is now a zip file. So what we can do is let's double click on this file. And from here, let's go to Word. And from this list, let's select settings and let's right click and click on delete. So after that, let's close this window. Now let's click on the file again and press F2 on the keyboard. Now let's delete the zip extension and put back the docx extension and press enter. Click yes. And now it's back to a Word document. So let's open this now. And here you can see that you can actually edit this document now. So we can change the font, or we can also change the background or the highlight. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.